Running a cannabis testing laboratory is high-stakes science. Tight regulatory deadlines, multi-state compliance rules that change overnight. Instrument data is scattered across spreadsheets, COAs compiled manually. And a failed audit isn't just a disruption, it can shut you down. Meet Revol LIMS 8.0, the enterprise-grade laboratory management platform built for the cannabis industry. One platform, every workflow, audit-ready from day one. From the moment a batch enters your lab, Revol LIMS tracks it. Full chain of custody. Automated daily uploads to Metrac, BioTrack THC, Leaf, and other state-specific platforms. No manual exports, no missed submissions. Complete regulatory traceability automatically. The moment a result breaches a configured limit, Revol LIMS flags it before it ever reaches a COA. When results pass, a fully branded certificate of analysis is generated automatically. Complete with a secure QR code your clients can scan for instant verification. No manual compilation, no transcription errors, no liability. Revol LIMS connects directly to your analytical instruments including HPLC, GCMS, ICP-MS, LC-MS, and more. Results transfer bidirectionally. No manual re-entry, no transcription errors. Your instruments and your LIMS speak the same language. Revol LIMS doesn't just record data, it learns from it. AI-driven anomaly detection flags, deviations from historical patterns before they become failures. And real-time TAT analytics surface bottlenecks, so your lab stays fast and your clients stay informed. Give your cultivators and manufacturers a premium client experience. Live sample tracking, digital COA delivery, and bulk submission in seconds. And as regulations shift or your lab expands across states, Revol's no-code configuration means your team updates panels and action limits in minutes, not months. Labs that choose Revol go live in 3 to 4 months, not a year. Built on compliance frameworks trusted across manufacturing, petrochemical, and mining laboratories worldwide. Now purpose-built for cannabis. Book your free demo today. And run your lab the way it was always meant to run.